Pooja, host of GRD Times, to unfold latest information of happenings at our school. November is historically tied to the end of harvest in many agriculture societies, symbolizing abundance and preparation for winters. 4th of November, our school organized an enriching 4-day educational trip from November 4 to November 7, 2024 for students to explore the culture and historically significant sites of Agra, Mathura and Vrindavan. A group of over 35 students accompanied by Vice Chairman Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am and 2 teachers embarked on this journey filled with learning and devotion. During the trip, students visited some of the India's most iconic landmarks including Taj Mahal and Agra Fort, where they gained an insight into India's rich architectural and cultural heritage.
Is Tanishka Best, co-host of GRD Times, highlighting the events of November. The journey continued in Mathura and Vrindavan, where the student visited revered spiritual sites like Krishna Janmabhoomi, Prem Mandir and ISKCON Temple. The student has the opportunity to experience the devotional atmosphere of these holy places, deepening the understanding of Lord Krishna's life and teachings. The educational trip was a wonderful blend of history and spirituality, providing the student with a great chance to connect with their cultural roots while fostering a sense of reverence and joy, divine presence of Lord Krishna. The educational trip offered valuable experience and memory, contributing to their cultural and educational growth. On 5th of November, our school organized an engaging poster-making competition under the CBSE activity guidelines focusing on the theme Ill Effects of Corruption. The event saw enthusiastic participation from the students of grades 6 to 8 who effectively conveyed their thinking and creativity on this crucial social issue. The students demonstrated their commitment on spreading the message of corruption-free society, making the event both educational and inspiring.
On 5th of November, our school organized an exciting horse riding activity for students from grade 6 to grade 12th. This event was met with great enthusiasm as students eagerly participated and enjoyed this unique experience. This hands-on activity not only provided a break from routine but also helped the students to build confidence, improve balance and to develop a sense of adventure.
6th of November, in celebration of World Interact Week, the GRD Interact Club organized a seminar for grade 8 students on the topic Legal Right of Youth. The session aimed to empower the young minds by educating them about their fundamental rights and responsibilities. The interactive online seminar featured legal experts who shared real-life examples, fostering awareness and encouraging active citizenship among the students.
On 8th of November, students from grade 1 to 8th at our school participated enthusiastically in prestigious Bharatiya Sanskriti Gyan Pariksha. Their hard work and dedication paid off as they achieved commendable results, showcasing their deep understanding of India's rich cultural heritage. Under the CBSE curriculum, the school's commitment to holistic education is evident through such events. This success reflects not only the students' academic prowess but also their appreciation for India's tradition and values. Congratulations to all the participants for their stellar performance.
On 12th of November, our school conducted Can Maths test for grade 1 to 9th, offering them a unique opportunity to display their mathematical prowess. The young problem solvers demonstrated exceptional talent, impressing everyone by their logical thinking and agility to tackle complex puzzles. Many students excelled in the exam and gained their position in second round under the esteemed UC Mass Academy. Goes to all maths champions.
On 14th of November, our school came alive with excitement and joy as students from grade 6 to 12th gathered for a spectacular Children's Day assembly. This special event, organized by the teachers, was a heartwarming tribute to the students, packed with fun, inspiration, and unforgettable moments. This event began with a delightful poem recital, followed by melodious songs that filled the auditorium with cheer. The highlight of the day was the dance performance, which was lively and energetically performed by the teachers that had the students cheering and clapping in excitement.
On 14th of November, our school celebrated Children's Day with great enthusiasm, turning the campus into a hub of fun and festivity and ensuring students from all the grades have an unforgettable experience. The highlight of the celebration was the DJ party where the students danced their heart out to their favorite tunes, create energetic and lively atmosphere. Adding to the excitement, there were activities and games that tested their skills and teamwork. From fun relay races to creative challenges, the combination of music, games, and delicious food made the celebration a perfect blend of joy and togetherness.
On 16th of November, our school hosted an inspiring inter-house bulletin board decoration competition for students from grade 6 to 9th. The themes for this creative challenge were Gurpurab, God Birsa Munda, and the lifestyle and festivals of tribes in India. Organized under the CBSE guidelines, the event saw enthusiastic participation from all 4 houses. Each bulletin board was a vibrant canvas that celebrated the rich cultural heritage of India. After an intense and closely contested competition, Sky House emerged as a winner, impressing the judges with their outstanding creativity and meticulous efforts.
Hello everyone, I am Shubneet Kaur from GRD Times. I am here for some special interaction with House Mistress of Sky House, Miss Rajdeep Saini. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
So, what is your topic for houseboat today?
The topic for our houseboat decoration is Festival and Lifestyle of Tribes.
So, ma'am, Indian tribes often use sustainable materials for their decorations. How can this inspire eco-friendly practices?
We have generally seen that many tribal communities use wood, clay, bamboo, leaves, stone, showcasing how to utilize locally available resources responsibly. This encourages us to adopt biodegradable and renewable materials in modern art and designing. Many tribal art forms like Varli and Madhubani use leftover material for paint and brushes. This also inspires us to reduce waste and creatively reuse materials in our own practices.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
So, moving ahead to our next house mistress of Earth House, that is Miss Deepika Pant. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Bachya.
What is your topic for houseboat today?
As you can see that we have decorated our house on topic that is God Birsa Munda and his contributions.
So, ma'am, could you please tell us something about God Birsa Munda?
Yes, of course. God Birsa Munda has played a very pivotal role in identifying the tribal identities and also in the movement that has led to the formation of Jharkhand in 2002. He was a great freedom fighter, tribal leader and a folk hero.
26 नवंबर को हमारे विद्यालय ने होश उल्लास एवं श्रद्धा भाव के साथ गुरु नानक देव जी का प्रकाश पर्व मनाया। विद्यालय के चेयरमैन सर, वाइस चेयरमैन सर, सेक्रेटरी सर, डायरेक्टर मैम, प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, उप प्रधानाचार्य महोदय एवं समस्त शिक्षक शिक्षिकाओं ने गुरु नानक देव जी की प्रतिभा पर फूल अर्पित कर आशीर्वाद प्राप्त किया। इस अवसर पर विद्यार्थियों ने प्रभात फेरी निकालकर मनुष्य एवं समस्त प्राणियों की रक्षा के लिए गुरु नानक देव जी से आशीर्वाद प्राप्त किया। अमृतवाणी का गायन किया। विद्यालय में विशेष पर्व पर सभा आयोजित की गई तथा भक्ति भाव से शपथ कीर्तन कर गुरु नानक देव जी का आशीर्वाद प्राप्त किया। विद्यार्थियों के द्वारा शपथ कीर्तन एवं अरदास की गई।
On 27th of November, our school hosted its much-awaited annual sports meet, Shreshtam, a two-day extravaganza that celebrated athleticism, teamwork, and culture pride. This event, held for the students from grade 6 to grade 11, was a vibrant showcase of sportsmanship and creativity. The first day was dedicated to track events with various races for students from grade 6 to 8 participating in various races from sprints to obstacle courses. Every race saw outstanding efforts and sheer determination. All the winners were honored with medals presented by our school dignitaries. Congratulations to all the winners.
Second day began with a grand opening ceremony featuring the balloon releasing, symbolizing aspirations and dreams. The dignitaries were escorted by the NCC cadets, adding a touch of discipline and pride to the occasion, including an opening dance with high energy Zumba and a surprise flash mob which captivated the audience. The music performances added to the festive spirits, showcasing the students' artistic talent. The day was filled with thrilling activities like relay races, fun octopus races, keeping the excitement alive. Ultimate honor of the Winner House of the Year trophy was claimed by the Ocean House, with Sky House as a proud runner-up. The event's grand finale was a much anticipated cricket match between the teachers and the senior boys. In an exciting match, the senior boys emerged victorious, winning by 5 wickets, displaying their exceptional sportsmanship and skills. As we conclude this broadcast, let's remember, winter is not a season, it's a celebration. We will see you again next month. Till then, stay informed, stay connected, and have a great time.
Let us love winter, for it is the spring of genius. So here we take your leave, promising you another mesmerizing session with new updates next month. Jai Hind!